Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Choose Education, and this time we're gonna learn the fastest way to sew a headband. First, you just need to tell you that you need a stretchy fabric, preferably jersey, but even any kind of cotton fabric, but something that stretches, preferably both ways, but even one way. And remember to sew the length on the way that it stretches, because it doesn't make sense to make it to cut it this way, so you have to cut it this way. Now, the length of the fabric, the length of the band, usually it's 60 centimeters with length, and the height you can use any height you want. The width you can use any width you want. I use 10 centimeters, but you can use 15 or even 20. It depends on how wide you want the headband on your head. Of course, there are many ways to sew a headband, but I'm gonna just use one way, which is very fast, and it doesn't need a lot of sewing, because for a beginner, sewing with a stretchy fabric is a lot of challenge, and you need to use a zigzag stitch for that, because if you use just a normal stitch, it will when you stretch the fabric, it will snap and it doesn't gonna make any sense. But I'm going to use just my way, which doesn't require any zigzag stitches. Just follow me. I'm going to get my camera, and I'm gonna put this here, the band, and I'm going to fold half of this like this, just like this, and the other half above it, just like this. So it doesn't show a lot, and I don't need sewing. This one is, instead of sewing it and flipping it inside out, it's not going to show because it's going to be inside your hair or inside your head. I mean, from the inside, so it's not going to show. And now what you're going to do is, so you're going to flip it like this and hold both sides, like right sides together. And what you're going to do, if you can see, I'm going this half, and this half is going to be like this, and I'm going to fold this half like this, and this half like this. So it's going to show like a flower, so both halves are divided. So I'm going to do this again. I'm going to do right sides together like this, just in the middle, and fold this one like this, and fold the other one the opposite way. And what I'm gonna do is sew this, just one normal stitch. You can use, it has to be a bit strong because it will have some stretch or some pressure on it. So I'm going to use just a normal straight stitch. I'm gonna use a contrast color for you, so you can, it's easy for you to see it. It's very hard to, I had a very difficult time learning how to sew with stretchy fabric because it was so hard. And now you can see I just a normal stitch with a back stitch from at the start and at the end. So you can cut and that extra fabric out. See, like this. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it. Ta-da! And now you have your headband. It's not going to open because it's just sewed in here, so it would be so much easier. And I already have one that I use a lot. I can't really wear this, but it's going to be a very stretchy headband that I use a lot, especially at home. And I hope you enjoyed this, and it's a very easy one, and you can see it's very comfortable and very practical. Maybe if you are planning to sell these, you'll probably have to have a more professional look, like a zigzag stitch from the inside, but this one is a bit more professional. Maybe if you want to, guys, have another tutorial with a more sophisticated headband, just write it in the comments below. And if you have any questions, please write them down, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and see you in the next video. Bye.